Welcome to the Enterprise Search in Web Client video. This video shows you how to optimize the enterprise search results according to your business need. A very useful tool I use in my daily job is the Enterprise Search. Today, I want to investigate on one of our popular items. When initiating the search from the home page, it runs through the entire database by default. I can narrow down the search. On the left side of the screen, the various categories of the search results appear together with the total number of records in each category. The search value is highlighted in the results part. I can filter the search results. I want to see all sales AR invoices this item was included in. The invoices appear in the main screen. I can choose whether to display the filter results as a list, bar chart, or pie chart, and narrow down the filter furthermore. Note that the available filters depend on the selected category. For AR invoice, these are the available filters. I can switch the results display between list and table. In table display, I choose which columns to display and in what order. I think this search is important for future use, so I save it as a tile by clicking the Share icon. The tile title is populated automatically by the search parameters. I can change it if needed. I assign the tile to the relevant group. Whenever I choose this tile on my home page, up-to-date results appear. I also want to share the search including all settings and filters with a colleague, so I choose the option Email. The colleague should have the sufficient authorizations to be able to access the search results via the URL in the mail. Alternatively, I can simply copy the URL from the address line and send it via mail or any other tool. Let's drill down to an AR invoice. Note that when I initiate the enterprise search from within a certain object, the search is applied to the given object by default. I can change the search scope manually if needed. This was the Enterprise Search in Web Client video. Thanks for watching.